Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to WK Gadgets Mobile. In this video we have my Passport SSD from Western Digital. Portable has a ton of features including speed of up to 1050 megabytes. Includes built-in encryption and also automatic backup. So if you a backup with the free software included. It's also extremely light, so this does not have much to it, which is great if you're going to be doing any backpacking or traveling with you and you don't want to have too much weight in this box. Here looks like we have some information right here about how to use it and set it up with your phone, and then we have the actual cable transferring data from the SSD to your phone and laptop. So now we're gonna test with the iPhone. Here you can see. So we connect to the SSD with iPhone. You can see the detail with SSD is 1 TB very easily and very fast transfer your data. Now we're gonna test on Samsung phone. We connect with the Samsung phone, so it's easy to connect and easy to use. You can back up easily, copy your data very easily. So guys, don't wait. Buy now. Thank you for your watching and continued support. Team WK Gadgets Mobiles.